Guys, now let's fix the problem you guys are here for. So I assume you guys are having problem running your EC2 instance, and I assume you guys are facing this problem, right? When you go to connect and and let's see. Yep, it says EC2 Instance Connect is unable to connect to your instance. Ensure instance network setting and blah 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 blah. I'm sure it's not gonna help me. Are you? Or maybe if you are good at reading documentation and you wanna spend like another 4-5 hours, you should go here and check everything, because I already wasted my 3-4 hours and it did not work, and I figured out the problem why it's happening. So if you go to instance, as you can see, like I have literally, let me see, so why the fuck is damn, okay, let's go to instances. As you can see, I have like 1 2 3 4 5, means I have 5 instances. 3 of them are already terminated, because as you know, I have been trying to figure out that problem for last 4 hours. I went to every YouTube video, I went to every Reddit post, and there was no clear answer why that's happening. And the real reason why I wanted to create an instance was I was learning Linux. As you can see, I'm learning Linux from Free Code Camp. So I wanted to use some, like I wanted to start a Linux. So the problem I faced was due to port. So what's happening is, whenever you go to, let's start from start. If you want to create a EC2 instance of Linux or Ubuntu, or like, I mean, Ubuntu is also a distro. You want to create anything related to Linux, macOS, or anything, you wanna launch a server, you need to go to, let's go to EC2. If you don't have EC2 here, you need to go here and search EC2, because I did like, so I pinned that EC2 there, that's why that's appearing in my that section. So just go to EC2, launch instance, and let's give a server name, my server name. And what do you want to do? Let's say I'm making a Linux server. Let's go to Ubuntu, and everything seems good. You need to have a key pair, so you can use key pair to security connect to instance, ensure you have access to selected key pairs. So I already have one. If you don't have one, just go to create a new key pair, and let's enter key pair test key pair, and just select that pem file, and just do if you just do like create key pair, it will just install your key pair. Don't ever delete that, that's just for security purpose. So you can choose test key pair, and if you go to network scripting, you don't need to do anything. And the problem is here, whenever you see this, you assume that allow SSH traffic from anywhere, and you get scared that if I allow traffic from anywhere, someone might use it. Yeah, that's true, because it says that rules with source 000 allow all IP address to access your instance. We recommend setting security group rules to allow access from known IP address only. And as person like me, I would get scared and I would just choose my IP address. That's a big blunder. I don't know why, but I mean, there might be a solution for that one, but trust me, I went to every corner of internet and I did not find anything. So if you choose my IP address, it will you will face this problem. So what you can do is just choose anywhere. I don't think it's gonna work. I don't think it's gonna affect you anyhow, because first of all, uh, they would try to brute force. If someone wants to connect to your instance, they have to brute force your IP address. So I mean, they have to brute force IP address. That's gonna take a long time. So I don't think anybody like want to hack your server or anything. I may be wrong. Like I may be like wrong about how that works, but I'm pretty sure it's not gonna affect you that badly. So if you go there, I don't think you need to do anything, and everything is done. So sorry for unnecessary yapping, and just go to launch instance. Yep. Now if you go here, let me just, okay, let me it says initializing. Okay, let's wait for initializing. You can just do that. It's initializing. I already have 2 running instances. That means I wasted my like last 4 hours dumping my head on this freaking brick. And let's wait another minute. Yep, it's initializing. Let's see if I can connect. I'll also show you how to edit your already created instance, where you can change your IP address. I mean, you can change your SSH rule and uh, make it run. So let's see. Hope for the best. See, you can say that like ls mkdir. Who are you? Who are you? Let's see. So cdmk. Okay, cd. Who are you? See, you can go. So that means Linux is running. So let's delete this. So let's check this one. So that's my previous instance. Let's try to run this. What does it do? See, EC2 instance, blah blah blah. I don't want to read this. So what you can do is, in this situation, just go to security, and just in the security groups, just press this, like just click this one, and you will see this interface. And if you don't see this interface, just look for edit inbound rules. Just go to edit inbound rules, and as you can see, I try like different things. Somebody in the internet told me that if you use http port as this, it will make it run, but that didn't work. What you can simply do is just in the custom use anywhere IP address. That's it. Just save the rules. Yep. And details doesn't matter, and just go to, I don't even know what was the instance name, so let's just do back. Rule is already changed, so this one is the one I changed the rule, right? Because it wasn't working previously. Let's see if it works. See, so the only problem that is that is stopping it from running is that source we are choosing, right? When we chose our IP address as a source, it didn't run. If we choose any IP address as a source, it runs. So there is some problem. I don't know what's the problem with this one. Alternatively, if you are running on your local terminal, I don't think you'll have that kind of problem. So, but if you are trying to run Linux on web browser, you will face that problem. Honestly, I'm not even kidding. I went to every Reddit, every Medium post, or every YouTube channel, everything. There is literally no solution. And I even tried to figure out on my own. Like I went to different documentation and everything, but it didn't help me. It just wasted my time. I would not say it wasted my time, because I got to learn like different things. So even I use AI. I mean, I use ChatGPT, Sonnet, Cloud, like everything. And as far as I know, it could be due to your computer firewall, or maybe your internet service provider, because you are choosing your IP address as the IP address it is automatically detecting. So maybe there is some problem with internet service provider. Somehow your Wi-Fi is changing your IP address every time or dynamically. Like there is some problem with your computer, like creating IP address. So overall, just I don't suggest trying to figure out this problem. If anyone can, just comment out below, and it will help me or it will help you too. Thank you so much.